This is our USR-500. It comes with a removable magnet so that you can attach it to metal objects. At the end is a toggle wheel and two small symbols. There is a negative sign and two small dots. When you move the toggle wheel to the negative sign, it begins recording in continuous mode. When you move the toggle to the two small dots, it begins recording in voice activated mode. When you put the toggle in the middle, it turns the device off. If you need to charge your voice recorder, you take the cable that came with it, you put the small part into the small hole at the end, and then you take the other end and you connect it to the USB port in your computer. Or if you happen to have a spare charger laying around, you can connect it and charge it using that.
Give it a second. Okay.
If you're not sure whether or not you need to charge your voice recorder, you can check the battery life. At the bottom there is a small button that you can push and 4 lights will come on. If you have 4 lights, then you're fully charged. 3 lights would be 3/4 charged. 2 lights would mean it's halfway charged, and 1 light would mean it's just a quarter charged. The lights will time out on their own and turn off by themselves.